Why barcodes are being replaced by GS1 barcodes for retail, the role of digital link QR code. Retailers are always looking for better ways to serve customers and manage inventory. That's why most of them are now turning to GS1 barcodes for retail, specifically QR codes. These codes can store more information and are easier to use with smartphones, making shopping more interactive and informative. Unlike traditional barcodes, GS1 QR codes can hold details about a product's origin, ingredients, and more. As we move closer to Sunrise 2027, it's clear that the GS1 barcode could become the new standard in retail. So, let's explore why this change is happening and what it means for the future of shopping. Why are GS1 QR codes replacing traditional barcodes? There are several reasons why QR codes are becoming more popular. So, if you are yet to transition to the newer barcodes, these benefits will surely help you make an informed decision. Let's find out what those are. More information in one scan. Traditional barcodes, such as the Universal Product Code, UPC, and European Article Number, EAN, can hold limited information, typically just a string of numbers. In contrast, QR codes can store a wide range of data, including URLs, product descriptions, and even marketing content. This flexibility allows businesses to provide more detailed information about products directly at the point of sale, POS. Apart from that, it also enhances customer experiences, which is a plus point for many struggling businesses. For instance, a scan of a GS1 digital link QR code can direct customers to a webpage with detailed product information, reviews, or promotional offers. Enhanced customer engagement. Another significant advantage of GS1 barcodes for retail is their ability to engage customers. These QR codes can link directly to digital content, such as videos, tutorials, or special promotions. By scanning a QR code, customers can instantly access additional product information or a discount code. Because of this, your customers can have a more interactive and engaging shopping experience. Versatility across platforms. QR codes from a dynamic QR code generator are versatile and can be used across various platforms. From packaging to digital receipts, they enable retailers to create a smooth omnichannel experience. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to integrate augmented reality experiences or contactless payment solutions into their services. A GS1 barcode example includes scanning a QR code that would launch an augmented reality app that shows how a product would look in a customer's home. The cost of switching to GS1 barcodes. One of the things that businesses need to look at when switching from traditional barcodes is the GS1 barcode cost. The initial investment in a GS1 barcode maker and compatible scanning equipment can be high in the beginning. So, why are people investing in QR codes if they cost more than traditional ones? Well, decisive business owners find that the benefits they offer in the long run far outweigh the cost in the short term, making QR codes a worthwhile investment. How to implement GS1 QR codes in your business. Here's how you can implement these 2D barcodes as smooth as possible. Understand the basics of QR codes. Before you make the transition, understand what GS1 barcodes for retail are all about and how they differ from traditional barcodes. While you may choose to go with a free QR code generator to simplify the process, you need a more advanced platform to create custom QR codes according to your business needs. Choose the right GS1 barcode generator. When selecting a QR code generator, you should consider factors like ease of use, customization options, and integration capabilities. Multiple platforms offer tools for generating and managing GS1 barcodes for retail online. These generators often include analytics features so you can see how your customers interact with the codes. Real-world examples of QR codes in action. If you're looking for practical examples to understand how these work, here's a list. Retail stores. Many retailers have already started using QR codes to provide customers with more information about their products. For example, grocery stores use these codes to offer details about the product's origin, nutritional information, and potential allergens. This transparency builds trust with consumers who want to know everything about the product before making the purchase. Emerging trends in GS1 barcodes for retail. Let's explore some of the emerging trends in this newer and better type of barcode. Augmented reality integration. QR codes are starting to be used in augmented reality (AR) applications. For instance, Customers can scan a QR code on a product to see a virtual 3D model of the product in their own space using their smartphone camera. This trend is particularly popular in furniture and home decor retail, where customers can visualize how an item would look in their home before making a purchase. Gamification and interactive marketing. Gamification is another trend that is gaining traction with QR codes. By using a GS1 digital link for games or interactive experiences, businesses can engage customers in a fun and memorable way. For example, a retail store might use a QR code on a product to allow customers to play a game that earns them points or discounts. Choose the best QR code generator to create GS1 barcodes for retail. As we move closer to 2027, it's evident that GS1 barcodes will become indispensable and will take the retail industry to the next level. Businesses that adopt these codes will now have an early bird advantage and will be positioned well in the market in the next few years. If you're considering making a switch, it's the best thing you can do for your business. QR Tiger's GS1 QR code generator is at the forefront of providing the best QR solutions for your professional and business needs. Start using it now and enjoy the benefits of using these GS1 barcodes. See how it can help improve customer satisfaction and business efficiency.